This was the worst trip I have ever been on.
The funk continues.
Me soul on fire, feeling hot, hot, hot.
Nobody seemed to care if we were left down in Aruba without a flight home.
There's no reservation. The ship is completely booked. He has $38,000.
These customers book reunions, honeymoons, and family vacations with Dexter Myers, the owner of several Uniglobe travel franchises. They say they got no explanation when he suddenly closed his doors, leaving them with their bags packed and no place to go.
He purchased airline tickets with it to go to Miami, like they were really going to meet a cruise somewhere. And
you mean there was no cruise?
No cruise.
No boat?
No boat.
The situation's unclear. What's going on?
Now, angry customers have hired an attorney. Many want to take action against Myers and the company that backed him, Uniglobe USA. But Executive Vice President Malcolm Reed told Eyewitness News Dexter Myers is an independent contractor, a franchise owner, so Uniglobe has no responsibility to his customers. In fact, Uniglobe USA is now suing Myers for more than $30,000, saying it is willing to dismiss this action if Myers returns his customers' money. Myers allegedly hasn't responded, so the attorney for those angry customers says Uniglobe USA is not off the hook.
The law in Maryland is essentially if the consumers believed and had a good faith reason to believe that they were doing business with Uniglobe, Uniglobe potentially can be liable.
Uniglobe should be responsible because even though we booked with Dexter, it was under the Uniglobe Travel Agency. All of our documents say Uniglobe.
Better Business Bureau, may I help you?
The Better Business Bureau has 17 complaints on file and says Myers has ignored all of them. But these travel agency files are not being ignored. The fraud department of the Prince George's County Police Department took them while serving a search warrant at Myers' home. Now a criminal investigation is underway.
We are trying to find out whether or not Mr. Myers conducted bad or made bad business decisions, or whether or not this was a criminal act.
We have been wrong.
Now 80 people strong, Myers' former customers are filing an involuntary bankruptcy petition against him. Most say they gave checks to Myers for trips that they never got. Here's their attorney's opinion.
You know, this is one of those situations where you rob Peter to pay Paul. At a minimum, Dexter Myers did bad business. He knew that the end was near.